Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we are going to do a couple things. I've got two giveaway drawings to do. I've got the redo, the third drawing for this, and the first drawing for this one. And then I was going to give you a bit of an update. If you stay to the end, I'll give you a bit of an update on what I've been working on. And I'm pretty excited about it. Okay. So, I don't know if you can tell, but I am sick. I've been sick. My house has been sick. I've tried to record. I've recorded the making of a workbook, so that's exciting, right? And I was sick during that recording. But that was just yesterday. But so, anyway, we'll talk about that later. First thing I'm going to do is, this is the... Hang on, I'm trying not to drop my phone here. This is the Santa Baby paper collection. Remember, I had enough to split it into two winners for that, and I will link that video where you had to leave a comment in order to enter this giveaway. I'll link that video up here. I did a flip through, a memory lane flip through situation, and then I did a full length, like a full length, all of the videos from that playlist in one video, which I'll link that up there too. But anyway, one of the winners from the first drawing did not claim their winnings, so I did another drawing and that person did not claim their winnings. This is the third time, and after this, if this person doesn't claim their winnings, I don't know what to do. So, anywho's, I am going to do this one first. So the way this works is you had to, for this video, from the video that I linked, you had to leave a comment below that video, and you also have to be a subscriber to my channel, and then we take it from there. So I've already pulled in that video URL, and I've already got the comments, and so I'm going to hit start. I think I did figure out how to get rid of me showing up as a winner, because if I replied to you or something, it was adding those replies, so there's a way to take that off, so that's good. So I do apologize. I do sound terrible. I feel terrible. I am sick, so there might be some silence every now and then where I sneeze or something, but anyway, so I will hit start, we will pick the winner, then I'll go check to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and then I'll be back, right? So hopefully we won't have any issues at all. So I'm gonna hit start. All right, I'm on 3 now. If I can't, okay, so I know I've told you guys this before, but like the only way I can confirm you are a subscriber to my channel is if you are publicly subscribed to my channel. I have no other way of verifying that, and I know that some of you may say, well, you could contact that person. Yes, I could, but then the other people who entered this contest or this giveaway, they would look at that person's channel and say, well, that person's not subscribed. That's not fair. So there is a reason, there is a method behind my madness. There's a reason for why I do it the way I do it. It only seems fair that people that are subscribed to my channel get physical products for sure, right? And I know YouTube makes it harder and harder and harder all the time they always move things around, switch things around, but I can still tell who is subscribed and who is not publicly. And I can't tell if you're not publicly subscribed. It doesn't tell me either way. It just says you're not. So I know that seems frustrating, but that's the only way I know how to do it, you guys. So, okay, I'm on number 3. I've kind of lost count. Is this 4 or 5? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. This paper collection just doesn't want to leave my house, I guess. All right, I'm going to hit it again. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. I finally have a winner. Congratulations to @NorthStarUp. Thank you. Thank you for being subscribed to my channel. You guys, I got so frustrated because I picked, I don't know, I'm on I don't know, 18 now or something. It's ridiculous. I even went into my Facebook group and said, please, you guys, please, go make sure you're publicly subscribed to my channel, please. Because I don't feel good. And I feel like I'm getting, my fever's coming back. Anyway, at North Star Up, you are the winner of the Santa Baby, the B, there was an A and a B, paper collection. You have a week from today. What's today's date? Can I look at the date without getting out of this? Today is the 3rd, so you have until February 10th to contact me. There's an email in the description box and in the first pinned comment. Contact me through that email and we will get the ball rolling on that. So congratulations to you. I appreciate you being a public subscriber to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, so we finally got us a winner for the Santa Baby. I'm going to move it out of the way. And then this next drawing is for all of that, not the container, but all of these beautiful flowers and embellishments and stickers and paper, 6x6 paper pen of the love story, which the video, I will link this video up here where I did a memory lane video where I showed all of this that I was going to do in the giveaway, and that video I have linked up there. And then I also did the full-length playlist for this too, where it's a one video, but it's all the videos in the one video. I will link that up there. Yeah, see, I think I'm going downhill fast at the moment, you guys. So I'm going to do the drawing for this one. Let me move this big old, well, let me just do it like this. Oh no, that's too bright. What if I have that on there? No. Okay. How about this? Is that okay? Alright, so I need to go and get that video URL and we will start again real quick. There it is.
Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today I thought we would walk down memory lane again and I found...
Okay. Whew. Alright, let's get that URL in here. And let's get the comments. So again, I'll let it pick a winner, and then in order to win you had to, or in order to be entered in to win, you had to leave a comment under that video. And you also have to be a subscriber to my channel. That's important. That's the struggle I'm having at the moment. So I'm going to hit start and we're going to cross our fingers and hope for the best. Well, I am super excited. We got that one on the first try. Yay. Oop. Sorry, I didn't mean to shake the phone. Okay, congratulations to, I think it says C and C by Peggy. I don't think it's Candy C by Peggy. I don't know. But anyway, I think I know who this is. But anyway, congratulations to you. You have until February 10th to contact me via that email down below. You get all of this paper collection, all of this not the album. All of these beautiful flowers and foam or puffy stickers, and chipboard stickers and ephemera and all of the things. Congratulations to you. And be sure to contact me before February 12th so I don't have to do another drawing. But okay, so those are the two winners. Wow. Let me show you that name again just really quickly, just in case I said it wrong. Congratulations to you two. And wow, that was a struggle. I wish I had a better way to do giveaways, you guys. I will try to do some research, and if you guys have any ideas that doesn't make it harder to do, just ideas so that it simplifies it would be great. But anyway, all right. Sorry about the struggle. Sorry about me not sounding good either. I think I need to get me a cough drop. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna get me one of these. I'm sorry, I'm probably gonna sound funny. So if you guys have made it this long, and I mean, it's been a long time for me since I started this video, but if you guys have made it this long, I'm glad you stuck around, because I'm gonna show you the next template. Well, I'm not gonna show you the template. But here, let me move it. I'm about ready to knock something off the other side of my table. But I am going to show you something. Okay? So again, I've recorded the workbook. This is the size of the album when it's laid flat. And I'm going to show you a set of this, and this under here, this is the prototype. But I'm considering making this with you with this collection because it's a printable. So I will link this printable collection down in the description box. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a printable paper collection. And let me know your thoughts, because now's a good time to tell me, because I'm about ready to start filming. The only problem I'm having before I show you anything else is that I'm sick, and I normally film my face when I introduce a new set of templates. So I don't know what to do, because I look terrible. I feel terrible, look terrible, all the things. But I don't want to keep waiting, because I just need to power through, you know. Suck it up, buttercup. That's what I like to tell myself. So I can't decide if I should just go ahead and film an introduction without my face, or film the part that's not my face and then hope for the best, hope I get to feeling better soon. I don't know. You guys let me know your thoughts. Now will be the time to tell me your thoughts. But anyway, so I've got this idea, and I hope you guys like it too. I know some of you have, because I get this. This is requested. This has been requested for years, and it's actually a really good idea. So I hope you guys also think it's a really good idea. So I'm going to show you the mock-up pages. I don't know if you'll be able to really tell anything. Let me check really quick. Hold on. Don't go anywhere. I don't want to give it away, so I'm trying to be discreet here. I think it'll be okay. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some mock-up pages, and then I'm going to show you the size of this workbook. Okay? So, here is just one of the page layouts from the prototype that I have been building while creating this set of templates. There's a lot going on here. I'm not going to flip anything. I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not going to move anything. I just want to keep your curiosity going. Okay? So, there's a lot. It's a lot. There's a lot going on. There's a lot to this. Right? But I want to show you the size of the workbook. I did film this. Did I already say that? I just finished filming the workbook. Look at. Look at. This is the workbook. This is the workbook. Let me show you let's see, was this the timeless? No. Yeah, timeless. This is the timeless workbook. Right? This is the timeless workbook. So, I'm excited about this. I hope this is what you guys have been wanting. We'll see. But alright, let me know your thoughts, you guys. I'm super excited. Winners need to contact me within a week via that email. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for participating. Go check to see if you're a public subscriber to my YouTube channel before the next giveaway. That would be great. Or make sure you are subscribed. You might not even be subscribed. You don't know. Give me a thumbs up. if you enjoyed this video, or if you're excited about what's coming. But all right, thanks for joining me, you guys, today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.